Hey, Reeves Raiders, Miss Dean here, and this is your course tool. The purpose of this assignment is for you to know all the expectations of your Algebra 1 class and to be sure you know where to find things in Schoology. Once you finish this tour, you'll post a comment and then you'll be able to take the mid-unit weekly quiz, which is due at the end of the week. So right up here at the top is how you reach me and Mrs. Fisher and the phone number at the school. And then we have office hours Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday in the morning from 8 to 8:30, and then from 1 to 1:30. Those 1 to 1:30 office hours will begin after the first 2 weeks of school. For now, we're spending our time in advisory during that time. This right here tells you where to find the textbook. If you want this link, you can always go to this algebra course description document and you'll be able to find it in Schoology. So you'll be looking for this algebra course description, and then this link will get you to the whole year's worth of textbooks. We are doing modules 1 through 6. They're called modules on the website. On Schoology, I'll be calling them units. This is a high school algebra course. Students with a passing grade, that means you, will receive 1 credit of high school math credit for this course. So these expectations are something you've seen already in your credit pledge. They're here again, and if you can follow these expectations, making sure others hear, see, and understand your math ideas, help others only when they ask for help, contribute when working in small groups and in pairs, communicate with your teachers when you need more challenges, ask your classmates questions and stay curious until you understand their ideas, make appointments with your teachers when you need someone to think through assignments with you, and complete 3 to 4 assignments each week, including quizzes. If you can meet these expectations, you will be a student with a passing grade and you will receive 1 year of high school math credit. So let's head on over to Schoology. Here we are on Schoology, and I'm just going to give you a little tour of the things you will find here. Your Zoom link to math class will always be right at the top. The reason I put it here is because you have to be logged into your school district account in order for your Zoom account to work. If you log in through Schoology, you're automatically already logged into your school district account. The week's work will always be in a folder, and inside that folder, you will have 3 or 4 assignments every week. The required assignments start with R1, R2, R3, and R4. I'll also every week be posting the slide deck for that week's classes. I will do my best to post the slide deck before class meets so that you can preview the class. And if you happen to miss class, you can always look at it later. And then I will also post in these folders tech hints, and this week's tech hint is 3 ways to submit an assignment in Schoology. Other things I want you to notice here is that when you open up the assignments, you can always post a comment. I will keep comment posting open for you. That's one way you can ask me a question directly from Schoology. The other thing you can do is use this little message bar, and I open that and I can see that I've got messages from you. I also get a notification in my email, and so I'll be able to answer you right away. And the other thing I want you to see, I'm going to have to switch to one of you in order to show you this. I think I'll pick Grace. Grace, I hope you don't mind. Now I'm looking at Schoology from Grace's point of view, and all the rest of you should have Schoology accounts that look very similar. From the student side, if you click on grades, you'll be able to see what it is that you've submitted. In this column, these icons change once you've submitted it, and you can click on any one of these links to resubmit or complete an assignment. This is also a place you can find comments from me and Mrs. Fisher. We'll be giving you feedback on your work as the year goes on, and it's important that you be able to find those things. So I'm going to go back to the main course, And there's one more thing I want to show you before we leave here, and that's that in the upcoming units, we'll be using a textbook called Math Vision Project, and I have uploaded PDFs right here for you. You can also go to the letter that you'll find in this week's folder. Well, not really a letter. It's a algebra course description you saw at the beginning of this video. There's a live link there that will just take you to the Math Vision Project website. So you can go to the website, or you can go to each unit to download the PDFs of your textbook. You should also know that I have at school paper copies of that textbook if you'd rather work on paper. And all you have to do is make an appointment with me or Miss Quimby, and we'll make sure that you get a paper textbook. So I think that's about it for this tour. Oh, wait a minute. Let me move myself out of the way here because there's something else I want you to see. In the past, I found that students love this column. This column shows your upcoming assignments. And so if you go here and click on any one of these, you'll be able to follow that link and find assignments that are due. So many ways to navigate Schoology. I really look forward to seeing your math thinking here and in Zoom class and in your emails you send me and your messages you send me. We're going to have a fantastic year together.